Hello and welcome to Opt-in Monster. In this video, we'll teach you how to create a holiday pop-up for your website. Within Opt-in Monster, choose the campaign type that's right for you and the template that fits your design needs. Next, you'll need to name your campaign and you can start building. Within Opt-in Monster's drag and drop builder, you can make any design changes you might need, including changing images, text, background colors, call to actions, and much more. For our holiday pop-up, we'll configure our countdown timer to show with the end date as December 31st. Next, in our messaging, we'll make sure that our website visitors know that this is a special holiday-only offer. In display rules, we'll schedule our campaign so it will only show when the offer is in place. In this case, we'll choose the current month is December. For this tutorial, we'll have it show site-wide. We'll confirm in the summary that the display rules are correct. And next, in the Integrations tab, we'll want to add our email marketing service provider so that we can capture the emails generated by our campaign. Simply click Connect. And finally, in the Publish tab, we can make our campaign go live by toggling from paused to live. Then we'll save our campaign and follow the embed instructions for your web platform. And you've successfully created a holiday pop-up for your website. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.